Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. We have an unopened sealed A case that we are going to unbox for you. We'll get this thing cracked open and go through all of its contents, so stick with us. Alright guys, so where do you get your sealed cases from? I picked this one up from House of Cars, Virginia, or had it shipped. There's a few other online places where you can get sealed cases. If you're not lucky enough to be able to find these in the store, which I never have been. So we're going to crack this guy open. Let's get to it. I'm excited to see what we've got in here, guys. Let's take out the first stack. See what we've got. So Jeep Gladiator in that cool neon yellowish green color. Really like that color on that. And the new Batmobile. It's different. The black Audi 90 Quattro. So they've had this in a few different colors. I think the last one was silver, but it looks pretty good in black. We got the Ravager ST. Little fantasy action. The Honda Moto Campo in yellow. I think they've done this in a few different colors. Red, possibly some others. And our first Ferrari, yellow 365 GTB4 Competizione. Hopefully we find some of the yellow Ferrari F40. Ooh, everybody's pretty high on this guy, the bouncing bass. It is a pretty cool truck. The speakers in the back, all gold and purple. And what do we got here for a fantasy? The Sushi Tuner. That one is definitely different. The 69 Dodge Charger Daytona, guys. That is a pretty cool casting. They've had this in a few different colors as well. It looks pretty decent in the yellow or the gold. The Instant Boost. That one's pretty cool. I'm digging that one. The Roger Dodger. We've seen this one before, just a different color. And I think this silver quick chat came out in Q case of the 2025 Q case. So started off with the white one and went to the silver. Ooh, we got the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in gold. And one of my favorites from this set, guys, the white Honda Civic Type R, the FK8 body style. I wish they wouldn't have put that CJ's logo on it. It'd look better without that. But I think they did this a few years back where they had it all white. I think it had red lined wheels. But this one still looks pretty good. Oh, my first Barbie Dream Camper. That's pretty cool. If you're into Barbie. Oh, there it is, guys. Our first F40 yellow Competizione Ferrari. Now that casting is awesome. I really dig the red one that came out earlier this year, but it does look good in yellow as well. Another Bentley and another Quattro. Pass and go. And I see something in the bottom of the pile there we're going to get to in a second here. But that one's kind of cool. I wonder if they're going to do some more different Monopoly pieces throughout the year. We'll have to see. A little fantasy track ripper. And my favorite car of the A case, guys, is this chalk colored Porsche 911 Carrera T. If you guys have been paying attention to the channel, you know that I actually have a chalk Porsche 911, so I really dig that one. Hot Wings. That one's kind of cool if you're into fantasy and hot wings and hot sauces. And I like that Defender 90. It's in a nice color. It's classic. They've had this in quite a few different colors. Another Honda Motocampo. Ooh, I have not gotten this one yet, guys. I think this is a sweet casting and a color. The color scheme is pretty sweet on it. On the 59 Impala. Very nice car. Another fantasy. Oh, this is one of those tool ones where you can use it to open your beer bottle. You can see it right there. Special feature. So I like the ones that have the little wrench on the end of it. Those ones are pretty cool too. Yellow Land Rover Defender. This was red earlier in the year. Alfa Romeo. So this is pretty cool. They've had this in red earlier in the year, but the white with green. It's a pretty cool looking car. And the W1 McLaren, guys. That's a sweet casting. I do have to say it looks better in orange. When they came out with this earlier in the year, the orange color pops. It looks way better than this dark gray color. The Mod Mill. Another fantasy. Ooh, I have not gotten this one either, guys. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby. This looks to be the same color as the Carrera T Porsche. I really dig the gray, so I'm excited to have that. And my first gray Chevy Silverado, guys. These are like impossible to find on the pegs. That is a sweet color combo, and we all love that C square body style. It is just an awesome truck all around in this color. I love it. Drift and Brake Fantasy. What's left for this side? We got Mercury Sperling. That's a cool car. If you guys haven't seen this car in real life online, check it out on YouTube, guys. There's some crazy videos. These things are insanely fast. Quick little cars. RD06. And the Polestar TRX. This is pretty cool little truck. Got surfboards in the back there. All right, guys, let's open up this bottom side. Supposedly, someone said that I watched on the internet or on YouTube that if you're gonna find a super, it's always on the bottom. I don't know if that's true or not. You guys comment down below, let me know if it is. We didn't get a regular treasure hunt on the first side either. So we'll see if we can at least score one of those maybe. Get that first stack out of there. The Roadster. Not a bad looking fantasy. Another Batmobile. And our first Centenario, guys. That Lambo is pretty sweet. It really pops in the yellow. I like that casting. Another Sushi Tuner. A Street Shrieker. That one's interesting. And another Alpha. Ooh, this is my favorite fantasy of 2025, guys. And they've changed the colors up here in 26. The Decidedly Go 8-ball car with the actual 8-ball on the bottom. Very cool. What is this one? Solar. That's a Solar Reflex car. Interesting. And another Hot Wings. Another Instant Boost. Defender 90. And another Impala. Nice to have two of those. Ooh, another blue key clip. This came out in Q case as well. They've had quite a few different colors of these. I've got most of them. The blues, the reds, the silver. Another bouncing base. And another Decidedly Go. Aha, there is the RS200. I believe this was a super treasure hunt in the Q case. That's just the main line. This is a cool casting, especially in the Golf colors. I like it. The Walter White Special, guys. So this is a Pontiac Aztek, one of the most ugliest vehicles ever produced all time. But they tried to make it a little better with the ground effects. They've done this in quite a few colors. I don't know if you can see that on camera there. Try to pick it up here. In the back window, there's actually a pair of sunglasses and the Walter White hat. So, a little nod to Breaking Bad there. Another 365. VW T3 Custom. Another Mod Mill. The T-Rex Transporter. It's an interesting fantasy there. The Mach-E. It's kind of cool color scheme. Another Pass and Go. And the Gordon Murray in the yellow. Ooh, we got an RS200, a second one on this side. Another Quick Chat. And T3 Custom. Glad to see another Porsche in there, guys. We'll check this Diora 2 out first. Another one with a couple surfboards on it. They like their surfboards. But Carrera T, guys. Such a sweet car in that color. Another Land Rover Defender. The Competizione. We got two F40s, so that's nice to have. Another McMurdy. And a Drift Ender. And it is not a super. So no supers, no treasure hunts in this box, guys. I was hoping we'd at least get the Grand National treasure hunt, but we didn't even get that. Another W1. This is close to a treasure hunt for me, though, guys. Having two of these guys, that's pretty sweet. And then one more blue key clip. All right, guys, I've got my top 10 picked out here. So the decidedly go for fantasy. Then I'm a big fan of the Type R, especially in white on white. And then the gray Carrera T, love it. And that square body, guys, in that color scheme is just almost perfect. I love gray cars. The RS200, the key clip, and digging the GT500 in the gray. It looks really good with that graphics package. The F40, the Chevy Impala, that casting is sweet, and the McLaren. And to top it off, my #1 choice of the AKs has to be the Porsche 911 Carrera T in chalk gray. It is just such a good casting and looks so good in that color. Well, so let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite cars were of the AKs. I'd be interested to hear from you. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. We'll try to do an unboxing of each case throughout the year, and then stay tuned for our hunt videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.